Have you ever wanted to run your own AI model locally without relying on an internet connection? In this video, I'll show you how to set up a free, local DeepSeek AI server on Windows 10 or 11, no cloud, no subscriptions, and complete privacy. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or just curious about AI, this guide will help you get started step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Enabling virtualization options in Windows. You must be signed in as an administrator. Open the Start menu and search optionalfeatures and run it. Find Virtual Machine Platform in the list and check the box to enable it. Click OK to confirm, then restart Windows to apply the changes. Step 2. Installation Desktop Docker. Now, we move on to installing Docker. To do this, go to olllama.com, a platform for running AI models locally, and download the Windows version. We install the downloaded file. Once we have the Ollama platform installed, we move on to installing Docker. Visit docs.docker.com and download Docker Desktop for Windows. We install the downloaded application and restart Windows once again. After the system restarts, you will automatically see the Windows command prompt window with the finalization of Docker installation. You will be prompted to approve the installation of WSL Windows Subsystem for Linux. You will also see the Docker Desktop wizard, where you'll be prompted to log into your account. In my case, I'll use my Google account. Next, we go to docs.openwebui.com and use the provided commands to install the WebUI for our Docker. We copy the command from step 1 and paste it into the Windows command prompt. Now, we choose the command that corresponds to our server. The first one is suitable for any computer, while the second will utilize our NVIDIA GPU. We go back to the Docker Desktop application and check if the command successfully started the container. By clicking on the port, we will open an interface resembling ChatGPT. Step 3. Large Language Model. It's time to add large language models to our AI server. We return to olllama.com and click on the Models option. We choose the DeepSeek R1 model, which is comparable to the capabilities of OpenAI O1. For our tests, I selected a language model with 7 billion parameters. As seen, the largest model available for free has 671 billion parameters. For comparison, ChatGPT-3 has 175 billion parameters. We return to the local WebUI and add our language model by pasting the following text: DeepSeek R1 to 7B. Choose the download option and wait a moment until everything finalizes. The WebUI will inform us once the language model has been successfully loaded. Now, we just need to select our installed language model from the list and test our local AI bot. The first question it received seems simple, but as you can see, the response is taking quite a long time. In the top right corner, I enabled the GPU and CPU load values. As you can see, despite having a powerful computer, the model responds quite slowly. We've walked through the process of setting up a local AI server using DeepSeek and Docker on Windows 11, from enabling virtualization to loading a large language model. We've covered everything needed to get your own AI bot running without relying on the cloud. While performance can vary based on the model and hardware, this setup gives you complete control over your AI environment. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you set up your own local AI server. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you in the next one.